They tried to kill us and they failed. One of them just said screw it and banged 3 of our people out.
Okay.
Now we're coming back up and we're going to take them all out.
How many do you have?
About 7. Yep.
Who is that guy?
Oh, we're getting reinforcements though.
That's them making sure we
You
don't
got
push on them.
Shoot it.
Yeah, you're just short.
He's skipping. Hey, who's that? One of ours. One of ours.
Keep going down.
Go down.
Yo, watch that, motherfucker!
Everybody's quiet.
Stay left. There's no cover. Lean, go left. Nice. Operation Get Back to Dark Yourself. Keep shooting at them. Great, keep shooting at them.
Whoa. Fire left side.
And right.
Tell me, you didn't call anything?
I lit him up.
Beanie, it's large and it's deep.
Go. They come out here and they go around.
Keep pushing.
Keep pushing.
What do you think, fast bounding Overwatch? That sounds like a plan. You want to do it? Sprint? Bounding Overwatch. Fast bounding Overwatch? Shoot, some people move.
All right, keep pushing.
Yeah. Hey, there's no way through there.
Yeah, that's great. Training right across there now.
There's a lot of phone flags back there too. It's not good.
I'm too big.
Is that who we're engaging? Yeah. You guys are just walking.
Guys, I think a little bit on the right. Split him right if you can.
I'm trying to.
Mexico, get some range on those guys. Hit them. Mexico, outrange them. Well, how much range you got on that?
Not enough. Mid-range is
114 is not enough.
Hey, there's a big tower right side, big hill right side.
Got visual.
That's how I do your women. Oh, that's what to do, man. Got two right side.
Don't walk off yet.
What vehicle we got here? I don't know. I drop on the hill.
Yeah, we can just cover. I think we can take him, right? He's just injured.
Hey, buddy. What's your name?
shooter?
Josh Downer.
And how many did you just get?
4.
One guy, 4 kills. Not bad.
I'm good with it.
Just so you know, they're taking a POW. Can you hear me? You got a medic rope?
I do not know.
Okay, he's on the truck.
Who's got
He
one?
can't
Septic
hear.
medic. You got a medic rope?
So what are you doing now? You taking him prisoner?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. He looks like he's a
It was worth it.
pretty valuable prisoner though.
Heads up, people creeping. Stay on, stay on. Some of the guys on the right are ours.
Now, who are those guys and what are they doing? You have any idea?
They aren't our team. They're fucking.
No, we got Placid and a couple other guys on the right.
reinforcements.
Are you shot?
Got one of them. No.
What?
The range of the street.
Hey, that white truck is a technical. Is it? Technical. On side of the road.
Keep falling back.
Technical move.
Hey, be careful, guys. Use your little friend if they get close.
Go ahead, Joel.
Oh, there they go. There they go again.
Roger that. Morlord says if one of his men is sorry enough to get your action, he doesn't want him back.
And the prisoners. We'll send 2 of our men and the prisoner. We'll meet about halfway from where our forces are at
Tell
right
the
now,
sniper
do
to
the
back
exchange and pull back.
Yeah, they got a sniper out there too. He's too close for us.
Mac, tell the sniper to back up or we can't send anybody.
Okay, let's pull that sniper back. You got a sniper kind of forward. Let's pull him back.
Keeps moving.
Who wants to go forward to the exchange?
Oh shit, I'm all over. We have to go unarmed. Oh my god.
Well, let's say go. Just go with your weapons.
Okay. Hey, you should. No, okay. I'm gonna say use the truck as cover, but.
Do any of you guys have, well, like you get that P90, can you sling it behind your back so it's not visible?
Yep.
Anybody else got a weapon they can do something like that with?
He's got a grenade
Go
launcher.
up with EG on him.
Give it to someone.
No,
Gag
we don't
rule
wanna send
works,
you up.
right?
Send somebody up with it.
Gag. We can do a
Florida
gag
airsoft.
rule.
The Florida Airsoft, the gag rule where you tell the guy to gag and he can't
Yeah, I
tell him.
gagged him already. Don't
Okay.
worry. That guy pissed me off.
Who else is
I kind
going?
of want to bum rush him. I'm not gonna lie.
You got one man going up? Who else?
Are there any other guys up there besides that sniper?
We have 2 friendlies on the right side.
They probably have a couple guys up
And
there.
they're probably pushing right now. What the fuck, is that Laporte?
Joel, this is Mac. We can do that prisoner exchange. You need to pull that sniper back.
Is that Laporte?
Tell you what then, have that sniper stay where he is. We'll move, we'll fall back a ways and leave our prisoner and the 2 men here. Sniper stays where he's at. The rest of our force will fall back. All right, roger that. Stand by.
Haney.
Okay.
Well, did we heal him?
I think so, yeah. Have them start walking towards us! All right, that's far enough. All right, even exchange. Our guy comes here, your guy goes to you. Cool? That's right.
Well, you got your gun on it.
Put your gun down. My
Put
gun's
your
not
gun
that hard.
down.
Hey, my first time to merry-go-round, big dog.